My dear students, let us start our class, speaking class. And this is the 7th topic that I am going to give you. And what I am feeling these days is that you are improving your flow, your sentence framing. And I can say that everything of you is improving day by day. Have confidence, focus on the topic, have concentration. With these things, you can speak better than earlier speaking. So today I am giving you a topic that you have to speak upon, and that is school. So you can tell the importance of school. You can tell what is a school. You can tell that what happens in school. You can tell that about your school also. About your school means about the rooms, about the teachers, about the atmosphere. So keeping these points in your mind, you can speak better. I think so. Okay. Yes, come on. So today I am starting with Drashya. Yeah, Drashya.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about my school. My school's name is Kana Makhan Public School. His principal is Mr. Anil Yaduvanshi. Um, he is a big school.
He is the
He
big school. It is the big school. It is a big school.
yes sir, it is a
कहाँ
big
ध्यान कहाँ है बेटा?
it is a big school.
Hmm.
It is situated in Saraswati Kund. Its wall are painted with white and sky blue color.
Hmm.
6,000 students study in my school.
Hmm.
My school has three computer labs.
Hmm.
Students trial computer there for getting knowledge about the computer.
Hmm.
Um, there are so many teachers in my school.
Hmm.
There are three. There are five branches of my school.
Hmm.
Um, my school is the main branch in five branches.
My school has 5 branches, and my school is the main branch, and it has 5 branches.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
My school have some computers
Have
in
क्यों आएगा? Has आएगा ना?
yes sir. My school has computers
हाँ.
in classrooms. Also, it
Hmm.
have one
Have नहीं
chem.
बेटा, has आएगा बेटा. बार-बार थोड़ी बताऊंगा मैं तेरे को यार.
Sorry, sir. It has one computer. Oh, sorry. It has one chemistry lab,
Hmm.
one laboratory.
नहीं, वो
Um,
लेबोरेटरी आ गई ना. केमिस्ट्री लैब और लेबोरेटरी एक ही तो बात होती है. दिस इज द सेम. It has one chemistry lab and one laboratory. What is the meaning of the sentence?
sorry, sir.
फोकस नहीं है आज तुम्हारा भैया.
There are two libraries
हम्म.
in school.
हम्म.
Uh, my school, my school, my school have
हम्म.
one. My school has one. My school has two staff rooms.
हाँ.
My school has one principal room also. There is one director room in my school. That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा फोकस करो बेटा, है ना.
Okay,
थोड़ा सा
sir.
जितना ध्यान रखोगे उतना करेक्ट आ पाएगा. नहीं तो फिर तो चलता रहेगा बेटा ऐसे, है ना. यस प्रीति.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today, our topic is school.
हम्म.
My school name is Romex International School. It is situated near Radha Valley in Mathura.
हम्म.
It has a three floor building, and it has two assembly grounds. There are many rooms in our school.
हम्म.
When we the school timings of our the timings of the school is 7:50 to 1:50.
हम्म.
There are many teachers, all are well educated, and they are very cooperative, and they listen the students carefully and help the students.
Hmm.
Um, there are many. There is one library, and many kinds of books are there, by which we can improve our knowledge. And there is one computer lab which has 40 computers, where all the students of a class can sit together, and they can attend their computer class.
Hmm.
There, there are labs, physics labs, maths lab, and chemistry lab, and they are made they are made very properly, and teachers conduct practicals there to teach their concepts properly, to explain it to the students properly, and it has one maths lab also, and on the first floor, primary classes are conducted on the ground floor,
Hmm.
and the pre-primary group assembly is conducted in the one ground, and another in other ground. The assembly of class primary and junior classes uh, assembly is conducted in second ground.
Hmm.
And there is one principal whose name is Mrs. Priya Chaudhary. She is very nice. And there is it has two staff rooms, one for primary teachers and one for senior teachers.
Hmm.
It has one account office where parents come and submit the fee of their wards,
Hmm.
and it has a storeroom from where the parents collect their wards, uniform and stationery, and other things.
Hmm.
Um, there are many maids in our school which cooperate the teachers, and um, they attend the guests, those who come to visit the school, or parents, those who come to attend the PTM of their ward.
Hmm.
All the teachers in our school are well educated,
Hmm.
and it is um, made of tiles. The walls of our classrooms are made of tiles, and they are painted very nicely. There are many paintings in our classrooms, and there is a one whiteboard in each class, and there is a one board in whiteboard in each class, and there is one smart board also.
Hmm.
There is one laptop in each class. Now these days, as online classes are going on, there is one computer, one personal computer of a teacher is also being kept there.
Hmm.
That's all from my side.
Very good. Very nice speaking. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitigya Sharma. Today I tell you about my school. School's name is there is there are two main gates in my school.
Hmm.
There are there is a big playground in my school
Hmm.
where students play.
Hmm.
Mm,
Shabash.
There is a there there is a big stage where students present their program.
Hmm.
There are two small gardens where there are so many swings where students swing.
Hmm.
There is a artificial zoo in my school. It is very beautiful.
Hmm.
There are so many trees in my school.
Hmm.
Mm, there are about uh, 30 rooms in my school. My
Hmm.
school building is very big. Mm, There is about 21 teachers. There are about 800 students in my school.
Hmm.
There are about 30 classrooms in my school. All classrooms are airy. There are blackboards in all classrooms.
Hmm.
Mm. There there are many furnitures in my school.
नहीं, many furniture नहीं बेटा, much furniture. There is.
There's much furniture in my classrooms.
हाँ,
In my
furnitures नहीं,
classroom.
furnitures नहीं, केवल furniture.
Furniture in my classroom. Mm. There are 2
Offices.
offices.
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा. हाँ.
My school. There is a big library. There are about 10,000 books in it, where students read books and magazines. That I
Okay.
like my school so much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Very
Thank
good.
you,
ऐसी
sir.
कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohani and today I going to tell you about my school. My school name is Adarsh Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary Girls. My school is very big
बैठो.
and there are 30 classrooms. There are 30 teachers and there are a big main gate.
है, is आएगा ना, R क्यों आएगा?
There is a big main gate.
थोड़ा focus करो बेटा. हाँ.
Okay, so there is a big main gate, and there are 3 playgrounds in my school. 2 playgrounds for big students, and 1 playground for small students. And school is very necessary place of our life. We learn many things in school, and we make many friends in school. And my school is very good. There are 360 students, and I have lots of friends in my school.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा आज. हाँ, बोलो.
There are lots of friends in my school. And my favorite teacher in school is Mrs. Kanika ma'am. She is Sanskrit teacher. She is Sanskrit teacher, and she teach well. All teachers teach well. And there are a principal room.
बेटा इज आएगा ना बेटा.
There is a principal room. And our school's principal is work there.
इस क्यों लगा रही है? पागल है क्या? अभी तो भूली नहीं क्या इसे हमारे को? हाँ.
I work there. There is a staff room also. All staff are work there.
इस क्यों लगा रही? फिर क्यों इज हमारा? ऑल स्टाफ वर्क्स देयर. इस भी नहीं आएगा ना बेटा. मेन वर्ब आ रही है ना, वर्क्स देयर. हाँ.
All staff work there.
हाँ.
My school's principal is so good. And her name is Mrs. Manjula Chauhan. She
No, not about principal. Not about so many
Okay, sir.
sentences about your principal.
Okay, sir.
Yes. About your school. It is enough that
Okay,
you have
sir.
told that what is her name, and it is enough beta, है ना?
Okay, sir.
Yes. हाँ.
Okay, sir.
May I-
There are. I go to school. I go to school in my auto, and my school timing is 7:30 a.m. to 12 a.m.
PM.
p.m. 12 p.m. And my school My school is so good. There are teach well.
They
There
teach
are
well.
there are teach well,
There are teach
and
well क्या होता है? They teach
there
well होगा.
they teach well.
Hmm.
And there are my class also, and
Is आएगा ना? There is.
there is my class also,
Hmm.
and my class have lots of furniture for
Has.
students.
Hmm.
Has lots of furniture for students.
Hmm.
Students, my classmates read there, and there are lots of classrooms in my school.
Hmm.
There is a library also.
Hmm.
There are about 2,000 books. There are about 2,000 books in it.
Hmm.
All students read there.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Very good. Okay. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश. Yes.
मैं जा सकती हूँ क्या सर?
हाँ
अर्जेंट है.
हाँ हाँ बेटा, जा सकती है बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Thank you,
बेटा,
sir.
है ना? हाँ. Yes. पूर्णिमा. पूर्णिमा.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes, पूर्णिमा स्टार्ट करो.
सर आप अभी किसी और को ले लीजिए.
ओके विनय तुम आ जाओ.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to share you about my
अभी
school.
लिए 1 मिनट हुआ है. लो. हाँ बोलो मैडम.
Yes, my school name is KR Inter College. It is situated nearby Holygate, and it is a very old school. It is a girls' college where only girl can study, and it has a very big gate, like a Buland Darwaza, and it has 2 playground where we did. I'm talking about myself now. So where we did prayer there, and it has 1 library. There is lots of book,
There
and
are.
there are lots of book, and there are lots of chair. So students come there and sit and read the books. And there are big chemistry lab where kept lots of chemical. And when the practicals going on, चलते हैं सर, इसके लिए होगा
हाँ
ना,
ठीक है
चलते
ठीक है
हैं.
ठीक है.
Practicals going on, there is a very spread a very bad smell. It's very hard to pass by the library. And there is lots of trees in it, which makes a very good environment of school. And in summers, when electricity cut down, that time they gives us cool air. And the room, it has about 100 rooms. It is a very big building actually. It has 2 double-story building. It has 100 rooms, and each room has 4 windows, and it has wooden furniture, and every class has about 80 seats.
ATC. What is ATC?
80 सीट है, मतलब उसमें बच्चे बैठते हैं ना, वुडन सीट
अच्छा
लगी हुई.
80 सीट्स.
हाँ, 80 सीट्स.
तो आपने प्लूरल बोल देते तो मैं पूछता भी नहीं ना शायद आपको.
80 seats. And every there is a two side, there is a
हाँ हेलो.
two way to go upside.
बेटा मैं कॉल बैक करता हूँ तेरे को थोड़ी देर में ना.
There is a big, there is the teacher of my school is very educated, and they are very sweet. They are always ready to give help us. And my school is a very old school actually. It was started Mr. Kishori
By it was started by Mr.
Kishori Raman Agrawal ji. for the especially for the girls. That time the education, the girls education was very poor, so uh, that's why they started this school. And
दे या ही?
sorry,
थोड़ा
he
सा
started.
फोकस करो मैडम, आप चाहे
Okay,
थोड़ा
okay.
कम बोलो लेकिन थोड़ा सा फोकस करो आप, है ना?
Okay,
हाँ.
okay, sir. Okay. And my school has 2 staff room where teacher do their work, take their lunch, and uh, talk with each other, and take some rest also. And there is a big playground in it. There is a big parking in it, in my school, where student park their scooty and cycles. And there is a small canteen also in it, where where in the lunch time we take some eatables from there. In summers we can take ice cream and samosa and chole, and these things. And winters we can take tea also there. And there are so many peons in my school. And they they do lots of work. And there is my school, it's a my मेरा स्कूल बहुत साफ रहता है सर, इसके लिए क्या होगा?
Remains.
Oh,
My school
remains.
remains very clean.
वो बीच में remains बोल गई मैं. My school remains very clean. And there is as I told you, there is a lots of plant in the garden. There is a boundary, there is a fencing of the mehndi trees, which looks like a very beautiful. And the management department's office is very nice. And the principal room is also very nice. And there is a separate department for each.
नहीं, सेपरेट को बार बार मत बोला करो आप
there is a separate अलग अलग है ना.
मैडम, वो इंग्लिश में ऐसे बार बार नहीं बोला जाता है.
Okay. There is a separate room for every department, like art department, drawing department, and music department. And there is a NCC in my school. In a special hire for a special teacher hire for this. Some
Special teachers are hired for this.
Are hired for this. Okay. And some girls take NCC. And they in NCC learn सिखाई जाती है. in NCC
Is taught. NCC कोई सिखाई नहीं जाती मैडम.
NCC में फायरिंग सिखाई जाती है.
तो a lot of activities are taught. There are a lot of activities in NCC, like fire, like shooting, like jumping, like that.
Okay. There are lots of activities taught in NCC, like horse riding, like self defense, like and they have sometimes they have camp in outer areas. They go to there for 10 days or 8 days, and they live there and to practice and for all these activities. And I like my school very much. And it's so long I don't go there. I don't went there.
I have not gone there.
Okay, I have not gone there, but today I remember my all these things. That's it, sir.
Very good. ठीक है. अपना थोड़ा सा आपका जो आवाज है ना मैडम, इसको क्वालिटी को थोड़ा सा अच्छा करो. आपकी आवाज है ना, जितनी क्लियर आनी चाहिए ना उतनी क्लियर नहीं आ पाती आपकी आवाज.
अच्छा ठीक है सर.
इसको थोड़ा सा आप ठीक करो, कैसे भी करके कोशिश करो आप, है ना. ओके. यस सिमरन, हरी अप. Simran.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran, and I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today our topic is about school. My name is Simran and my school name is Rajasthan Girls Public Senior Secondary School. This is in Jagatpura. School building is big. and there is a big man gate in the school. There are about 30 rooms, and all the rooms are airy. In the rooms, windows and fans are also available, and they rooms have a blackboard.
Rooms have blackboards. Yeah, each room has blackboard.
Each room have a blackboard.
Have नहीं बेटा, has आएगा ना. Each room आ गया तो singular आ गया तो has ही तो आएगा.
There is a big library in the school. There are about 1,000 books. All students read newspapers and books there. There are 1,000 students in my school, and there are 25 teachers in my school. Our principal name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. There is a playground outside the school. Sometimes we go there for playing. There are many trees and many flower plants. Our teachers are very good. They help us in every work. They do work hard.
आर क्यों लगा रही है? They do hard work.
They do hard work. School building color is white. There is a basement in school. There is small children read.
दोबारा बोलना.
In the basement, small students read.
Okay.
And they on the roof have a chemistry lab and bio lab.
On the roof there are.
On the roof there are a chemistry and biology lab. Sometimes teacher लेके जाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Sometimes teacher carry the students.
Sometimes teacher carry the
या
students.
take भी लगा सकते हो आप. Take the students in the laboratories.
In the laboratories, there are many types of animals. The corona is going on, so the schools are off. And I miss my school friends very much and my teachers. And in school, my favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He is our class teacher and he is an English teacher. My school director name is Mrs. Shakuntala Gupta. She is about 60 years old.
She is,
and I like my school.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बेटा. फ्लो आने लग गया अब तुम्हारा, है ना? कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश करते रहो बस. Okay बेटा. Yes, Vansh.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is my school. My school's name is Gyan Jyoti Vidyapit. There are 2 floors in my school and 1 basement in my school. There are 30 rooms in my school. And there are 7 rooms in investment.
Hmm.
There there are there are two main gates in my school.
Hmm.
There are 1,000 students in it.
Hmm.
They, there are 25 teachers in my school.
Hmm. इन माई स्कूल
The-
बार बार बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा.
in
हाँ,
it.
इन इट भी नहीं बोलोगे तो भी चलेगा. देयर आर 25 टीचर्स, देयर आर
Okay, sir.
600 स्टूडेंट्स, इतना भी चलेगा बेटा. बोलो.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
There is one playground.
ठीक है.
They, there are many trees.
ठीक है.
They, there are there are one. सर नीचे वो हॉल होता है उसे वो हॉल ही बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ, हॉल बोलते हैं.
There is one hall.
Hmm.
All students teach. All students read nice.
Hmm.
All teachers teaching very well.
टीचिंग क्यों, टीच ही तो आएगा.
Teach very well.
Hmm.
In there are many blackboards.
Hmm.
There are there is one shop around my school.
अराउंड माई स्कूल कैसे हो जाएगा.
नहीं, in my school.
हाँ.
There, that's it. I like my school.
ओके बेटा, बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. इम्प्रूवमेंट हो
Thank
रहा है,
you, sir.
कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना.
Okay, sir.
यस. ओके, नाउ अंजलि.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. Today my topic, my school. My school name is ARGPS school. My school is in Jagatpura. My school principal name is Mrs. Priya Gupta. My school building is big. My school, there are two main gates in my school. There are many rooms. There are many fans. There are many benches and stools. There are so many teachers. There are two office in my school. There is a library. Some students reading books.
Read books.
There is a lab. There are many students teach in it. There are much furnished.
It is well furnished.
It is well furnished. School director name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. There are two storeroom in it. My school building is 3 floor. There are some programs celebrate in my
Celebrated.
in my school. My school is Hindi medium and English medium.
My school is Hindi medium and English medium both. या my school is both Hindi medium and English medium. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बोल. हाँ.
There are study girls and boys.
हाँ. Boys and girls study there. ठीक है बेटा, बोल.
There are small parking in it. Each room has blackboard in it.
हाँ, शाबाश. हाँ.
I don't go to school now. I am in college. That's it.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा है. मोना.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is my school. My school name is RGPS school. There are gates in it. My school building is big. There are 500 students and 30 teachers in it. There are about 30 rooms.
थोड़ी सी आवाज ठीक करो अपनी.
Yes, sir. There are there is a small hall in it. There are two office in it. There are blackboards in all rooms. There are windows and fans in all rooms. There are many stools and benches in it. The school has a park. All teachers very good. There is a water cooler in it. My class teacher and my class.
क्या हुआ?
That's it.
ओके ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो, है ना. प्रैक्टिस करो, रिकॉर्डिंग किया करो. आप करते हो क्या रिकॉर्डिंग?
नहीं सर, अभी 2 दिन से तो नहीं की.
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग करो आप बेटा, फ्लो आएगा. आप थोड़ी सी कोशिश करो, आप जो कह रहा हूँ मैं आपको, है ना. आस्था.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about my school. School is very necessary for us. It is the best source of study for in our life. School gives us knowledge. I am also read in a school.
M क्यों लगा रहे हो?
I also read in a school. My school's name is Bal Bharti Secondary School, Naila. It is situated in Naila. There are more than 300 students. My school is in 2 parts. One is Hindi medium and second is English medium. There are many windows and doors in it. There are nursery to 9th class in my school.
क्लासेस, थोड़ा सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखो बेटा.
Classes in my school. It is the best school in my city. It was made in 1995.
Made की जगह started. It was started.
Okay, sir. There will be a science lab and a computer room.
Will be? Yeah, are. There are.
Sir, will be.
मतलब है नहीं, अभी बाद में होगी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. हाँ.
The teacher, there are more than 30 teachers. There is a big playground in my school. We play games in that playground. There is a big playground also in Hindi medium school. The school's principal name is Mr. Niket Sharma. There is a big staff room and a private office of principal. There are more than 30 classrooms in both schools. There are many blackboards in each classroom. There are many trees in it too. We also grow plants in my school. It is very important in our life. It is the big source of in our life.
Big source of education.
Okay, sir. My school is 2-storied building. There is a big hall also in my school. The teacher teach very well. I read in 6th class in my school. There are many classmates in my classroom. There are some friends in my school.
I have some friends.
I have some friends in my school. My school is 2-storied building. There is an office also in that principal sits. We eat lunch in the school playground. There are many benches to sit. Some time ago I went to school, but I don't go to school in this time.
At this time.
Because of COVID. So that's it.
Okay. Good. Very good. Yes, Koinur.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Koinur and I am the student of Raman English Online Lab Interactive Classes from batch B8. Today I am going to tell you about my school. My name is Koinur. I read in Soni Academy Public Senior Secondary School in 10th class. There is a big main gate of my school. My school building is very big and very beautiful. There are about 150 teachers in my school. There are about 50 rooms. Our principal sir name is Mr. Satychandra Sharma and our director sir name is Mr. V.K. Soni. Our principal sir and our director sir both behavior is also good. There are about 4,500 students in my school. All the room is big and airy.
All the rooms
are big and airy. Every room has 2 doors and 6 windows. All the teachers of the school teach very well. There is a big library in my school, which have about 1,000 books in the library. There are many types of labs in my school, like chemistry lab, physics lab, and mathematics lab, and etc. Many types of labs in my school. And, all the types of facilities are available in my school. There's a big temple in my school, where all the teachers and all the students worship to the god. Worship the god, and there's a big playground behind the school, where we play cricket in the evening. That's it, sir.
Very good. Okay, very nice. कोई सबका हो गया, कोई रह गया क्या कोई?
हाँ जी सर, मेरा रह गया.
हाँ, बोलो पूर्णिमा. Yes, come on.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about my college with my views. So, start. It is situated nearby my house or colony. It has 2 entry gates. It has 4 and 4-story buildings. It has.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप. हाँ.
For different departments, and in each building also has a different departments also.
नहीं, आप in each building मत बोलो, in मत लगाओ. फिर आप उधर आपने has लगा दिया तो in मत लगाओ आप.
Okay sir.
अगर आप उधर in लगा रहे हो तो there से बनाओ फिर आप इसको. Okay. Each building has.
Each building has a different department also.
हाँ.
There is a very airy, spacious, well-furnished classroom.
नहीं, एक ही क्लासरूम थोड़ी है, क्लासरूम तो ज्यादा होंगे ना.
Classrooms बोला सर.
तो R लगाओ ना उधर आप.
Okay sir. There are. In each classroom has a one whiteboard.
मैंने भी आपको बताया ना.
Okay sir. Okay.
ये जो आप in लगा रहे हो ना वो has में आ गया उधर.
Okay sir. In लगाना है तो has नहीं लगाना.
अरे हाँ, in लगाना है तो has नहीं लगाना, फिर there से बनाओ आप.
In each classroom, सर वो बिना हैज के बनेगा नहीं फिर.
तो आप देयर से बनेगा ना, फिर क्यों नहीं बनेगा?
जी सर.
वो मैं बार-बार आपको बता रहा हूँ ना, वही तो चीज बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. हाँ.
There are 4 windows, 6 fans, and 1 chair and 1 table for a professor, and in some classrooms benches, and in some classrooms table and chair for students. There are 2 labs, one for chemistry and one for other activities. There are computer lab also. There are 2 there are 2 common halls or meeting halls for cultural program and for the meetings of staff. In each department, there are 30 or 40 staff members in each department. There are number of clerical staff members. There are numbers of
numbers of use मत किया करो मैडम, मैंने पहले भी कहा है आपको.
Lots of
करो, many कर दो आप. lots of तो इतने सारे हो जाएंगे जैसे पता नहीं 1000 2000 हैं क्या.
Okay sir.
There are so many या there are many. It is enough.
Okay sir. There are
numbers of नहीं होता. There are a number of.
There are a number of.
हाँ.
Okay sir. There are a number of clerical staff, 4th class staff, and it also there in it the college divided in 2 parts. For one part is government sector and one part is self-finance sector. So in the comparison of government sector, the fees is very high of self-finance sector. A student when take admission
नहीं
in
स्टूडेंट वैन ऐसे नहीं, वैन है स्टूडेंट, वैन को पहले लगाओ आप.
okay sir, when a student take admission in government sector, it fee scale is so less. And other one takes admission in self-finance department or sector, it fee structure is so high.
It's पोजीशन को पोजीशन बनाओ उसको. हाँ.
There are lots of cultural activities organized. They are organized. Organized like सामूहिक विवाह सम्मेलन, सामूहिक अग्रवाल सम्मेलन, सामूहिक सांस्कृतिक सम्मेलन, because the sector of self finance is run by Agrawal Samaj. There are two shifts where there are two shifts. The school runs in two shifts.
School is run.
College runs.
The college is run. पैसे वो इसमें बनेगा मैडम ये.
Okay, sir. College is run in two shifts. First shift is start from 7:30 in morning to 12:30, and second shift is start from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. evening. There are 4 gardens which is very big in size.
Which are very big in size.
Sorry, sir. Which are very big in size, and in it very beautiful trees also. And
in it there are very beautiful trees also. पूरा sentence बनाओ. या
okay, sir.
हाँ. और in it भी नहीं आएगा. 4 garden है तो दे आएगा ना.
दे. उनमें okay sir. In central area decorated with a beautiful grass also.
अब तो इन क्यों लगा दिया आपने? Central area is decorated. इन क्यों लगा रहे हो आप? इन लगा रहे हो तो फिर आप उधर हैज हैव को उसको देयर को यूज करो.
Okay sir.
हाँ. बोलो.
It is a very reputed college of the city. And its study standard is also very high comparative. Standard is very high in comparison of other colleges. It's a staff because it's a staff. It's mostly staff appointed by commission.
Most of the staff.
Most of the staff come from the commission or appointed by the commission.
Is appointed.
And
Bolo.
Is appointed by the commission. So it's so them आएगा सर उनकी.
नहीं तो आप पूरा सेंटेंस बोलोगे जब मुझे पता चलेगा ना. अब आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो मुझे तो पता नहीं चल पा रहा ना. उनकी के लिए तो देयर आएगा. So their
qualification is also very high. Like all of professor.
नहीं all of professor का मतलब क्या होगा? All are the professors. All are the professors.
All are the professors. NET or PhD qualified and well knowledge.
वो तो PhD से और उससे पता चल गया ना भाई उन्होंने इतना है तो वो तो डेफिनेटली उनके पास में इतना नॉलेज होगा. और बताइए.
It's okay sir.
वो ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना. बस आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. और तो कोई नहीं रह गया. चलिए ओके. थैंक यू वेरी मच.